We've exploring that kind of concept of kind of joint loading versus rather than weight transfer. It's kind of using the wall here. So you'll see here, my kind of knee is then positioned in line with my hip joint. The ankle is underneath that knee. So that kind of right angle you'll see here as kind of drawn by those kind of lines on screen. So using then that trail foot, we're actively trying to shove and push the pelvis hard in towards that trail foot. It's really trying to drive that pelvis forwards. Once I've got that connection through knee, foot and ankle into my hip, those kind of three connecting points, ankle on the wall, knee on the wall, hip on the wall, using that foot to drive the pelvis into the wall. Make a rotation back and kind of live in this position for as long as you are happy and comfortable remaining in this position. So it's very much for you to decide. Some people maybe a few seconds, some people may get into kind of 30, 45 seconds in excess of. So using that foot, pushing that pelvis onto the wall, hold that rotation. Once you've done that for whatever time you're comfortable doing, then with no delay, come off the wall, make a few rotations back, and there's that lovely sense of almost being wound into rotation, that concept of joint loading rather than weight transfer. This can be a wonderful way then really connecting in then the idea of that rib cage moving in and around the hip joint whilst we get pressure into that trail hip and into that trail foot.